Actually, what comes next is more or less common sense, but still over 50% of all work accidents are falls and collisions. The internet is also full of work fail videos, therefore our rules of conduct. Lay cables neatly and under no circumstances through the air. If you cannot avoid cables and walkways, please use cable bridges so that no one trips over them. Speaking of tripping, please do not leave objects such as folders, packaging material, or pallets standing around in walkways. The next colleagues who's carrying a large box will certainly not see these tripping hazards. Which brings us straight to carrying. Please, only carry as much as you can still see your way. After all, you don't know whether your colleagues have also removed all tripping hazards. For large or heavy things, however, it makes more sense to use transport aids. If you use cage trolleys or other transport aids, however, it is better to pull rather than push, because if you are in front, you will be able to recognize tripping hazards and keep your load under control even better. And if you are not carrying anything, please do not become a smartphone zombie. I just looked something up on my mobile. It's the beginning of many hospital stays. Very few people can manage to use their smartphone and walk at the same time. This already smells like an accident. The topic of accidents with an announcement also include using chairs, tables, or boxes as climbing aids. Swivel chairs are best. This not only borders on acrobatics but also on carelessness. In such cases, please use ladders or office steps with a valid inspection sticker. Also, please do not use defective work equipment, but report it immediately to your manager or the responsible departments. And since we can never rule out the possibility of something happening, please inform yourself about the nearest fire extinguisher, first aid box, and escape route. Please also try out your own escape route if it is not alarmed, and make sure you keep it clear. Unfortunately, blocked escape routes have killed people all over the world over and over again. So please, help us to prevent accidents. We are counting on you.